घड़ी के बज गए 6। हम हाजिर हैं अपना चिट-चैट लेके। इतना भी बुरा नहीं था। Well, jokes apart, let's start this chit-chat show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. So today on our guest list is a woman bestowed with many talents. Well, she's an actor. Apart from that, she's a life coach, a tarot reader, and also a dancer. So let's connect with Hansa Singh online and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. Okay, so thanks Darshan for joining online, and Nazbeen Nawab for joining online. And today we have Hansa Singh, and okay, so yes, she's there online. So I think there was some issue with the network earlier, and I was paused by my network provider, but now I think hope all is well. Hello.
Hi,
Hi, you looking pretty. Okay.
thank you.
So tell me, like, you have a lot of sessions after this. As you told me, but like when we were talking se pehle, so you're all set and ready.
I almost did my photo session also. You'll see the
Oh,
pictures later.
okay, great, great. So tell me, like, how was your lockdown period? आपने लॉकडाउन में क्या कुछ नया किया? क्या ऐसी चीजें थी जो आप पहले नहीं कर पाती थी और अब आपने किया? What was the things which you did in this lockdown?
Um, Honestly, thank you for having me on this show. First of all, I have to
Most
thank you all.
welcome. We are happy to have
And thank you. And secondly, मेरे लिए लॉकडाउन में कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं हुआ क्योंकि I was always in that zone.
you. Okay.
So when people were like, "Oh my God, lockdown हो गया है, जिंदगी
हाँ,
रुक गई है, no parties, no work, nothing,"
right,
I was
right.
saying, "The thank you God,
हाँ.
you have made the whole world sit and sat on their asses with me the way I was."
Okay, that's very different.
I
Yeah.
said,
Okay.
God, I know. I said, God, I know I'm your favorite child, and
Hmm.
thank you for loving me so much that you put the entire world stop. And
Okay.
well, that's a fun part of it to say that. But
Yeah. Okay.
जब ये कोविड का शुरू हुआ था, तो the first thing I have told people, my friends and my family and
Yeah.
all,
Yeah.
that it's a blessing in disguise.
Very true.
Just
Very true.
because हम लोग रोज अपनी जिंदगी में इतना भागते दौड़ते रहते हैं,
Hmm.
as if we're trying to catch up something which
Right.
is losing. We are losing. It's
Yeah.
going slipping out of our life hands. So वो जो वक्त जब ठहरता है तो उसमें आपको एक इंटरनल जर्नी करने का मौका मिलता है to analyze a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So I had always been on a spiritual path parallelly to my actress profession on
Okay.
salsa dancing and all.
Okay.
But I got time enough to give more to society through
Right.
my YouTube channel with the
Right.
motivational speeches and all that.
Okay.
And then I could possibly do the tarot reading, which I was doing basically for people who know me.
Okay.
But then I said, let me give it more out to the society by doing weekly predictions and putting up on my YouTube channel so that people have a little
Okay.
caution or, fun about
Yeah.
knowing what
Yeah.
exactly is coming next.
Yeah.
So yeah, that started all just because आपके पास वक्त था.
Right.
तो वक्त को आप पॉजिटिवली कैसे यूज करते हो, प्रोएक्टिवली कैसे यूज करते हो, बिकॉज देयर डंजन्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग इज फेसिंग.
Very true.
I am nobody exceptional,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I just know how to deal with it.
Deal with it. So like this, actually, when you said that you used to do tarot card and all that, yeah, initially, like only for people whom you know, right? So was this something that you learned, कहीं से आपने सीखा ये tarot, or was it that आपके अंदर की जिसे बोलते हैं, you learned it online or something? Because that is like very different from, you're an actor, and being a tarot card reader and a life coach and also a dancer, like it's like lot of qualities and talents were given, just भगवान ने सब आप ही को दे दिए हैं. So इसके क्या आपने स्पेशल उस पे किया है, और was it like so was it like you wanted to do it, or is it like किसी ने आपको like inspire किया?
No, nothing of that sort
Okay.
at
Okay.
all.
Okay.
Um, Coming from a very conservative middle class family,
Yeah.
acting was never a profession.
Okay.
It was either a corporate job or teaching and all. My
Yeah.
mom is a retired as a professor. My dad was in bank. So
Okay.
a typical Rajput Thakur family. तो
Oh,
ये जो
okay.
sleeveless पहना है ये भी allowed नहीं था, jeans भी
Okay.
allowed नहीं था. So
Okay.
typical that kind of a family.
Right.
तो
Right.
वहां से ये जो जर्नी शुरू हुई, I
Right.
think it was in destiny.
Yeah.
सो
Yeah.
अगर कोई चीज आपके डेस्टिनी में होती है तो नो मैटर whosoever whether it's
Yeah.
society parents peers जो भी
Yeah.
आपको एक alternate direction देना चाहते हैं you may go
Right.
but destiny will catch you up and bring you where you're supposed to be.
Very true.
It will take a longer time probably
Time.
and then you might miss the bus which was
Yeah.
actually meant for you
Yeah.
4 years earlier
Yeah.
and then you have to start the entire struggle again and then people have question अरे तुम्हारा कुछ हो नहीं रहा है अरे तुमने इतने सालों से वहां पर हो तुम कर क्या रही हो अरे भाई तुमने ही पहले ब्रेक लगा के दूसरे डायरेक्शन में डाल दिया
Right.
तो अभी कैचअप करने के लिए इट विल टेक टाइम.
Time. Right.
So destiny brought me here. I never thought I'm beautiful. I never thought I'm an actor material or something because I am a dusky girl. I'm dark complexion. The only thing I had was my
Dusky is
figure.
sexy. You know, that's what I feel. Dusky is sexy.
Yeah, I was also told the same stuff that
Yeah.
it's a very
Yeah.
sexy color and
Yeah.
it attracts, it's magnetism and all that. So, which I
So how
could
did
realize in
because as you said that you belong to a conservative family and you were not allowed this thing. So kahan se ye वो that journey that thing that you wanted to be an actor वो कैसे वो जो आपकी destiny ने कैसे आपको pull किया वहां पे?
I was working with advertising agency and there my art director said कि एक ad है उसमें तू आ जा and all. मैं कहा ठीक है कर लेते हैं क्या फर्क पड़ता है and that have like that and then it was like my peers down there in Delhi because I hail from Delhi तो उन्होंने बोला कि एक किसी को कोई सीरियल बना रहे हैं दिल्ली के लिए like दूरदर्शन के लिए. So they want to see your pictures and all. तो मेरे को तो पता भी ना कि पोर्टफोलियो क्या होता है तो भी दोस्तों को बोल के खिंचवाया ये पिक्चर्स बना दो यार. It's like that. So I still remember the first photographer who said, you know what, तुमको ना तुम्हारी नाक ना थोड़ा सा बल्ज है तुमको उसको ठीक कराना पड़ेगा. मैं oh my god मेरे चेहरे में डिफेक्ट है मैं तो कुछ कर नहीं सकती पता नहीं मैं क्या करनी है. I mean that's how these photographers used to talk.
Yeah.
So I said okay तो cutting it short.
Yeah.
पहला काम मुझे मेरी आंखों की उदासी की वजह से मिला था. The sadness in my eyes.
Oh, ये आपने बताया था कि भाई हम इसलिए
my director told me my director told me I picked you up because for your sadness in your eye that you have everything going but you're still sad.
Oh my god, like ये तो something new I'm hearing, like कोई ऐसे भी आपकी आंखें बहुत उदासीन है.
Yeah. So that happened and then it so happened that वहां से शुरुआत हुई तो it is called यादों का सफर.
Okay.
And that was in Delhi and then my co-actors were जो थे वो बॉम्बे में आ गए थे काम करने के लिए तो they called me to come to Bombay and I took a leap of faith, came to Bombay, did my journey, began all that stuff. So that's how it just happened. Oh. So I still remember कि as we were talking earlier कि dusky complexion sexy होता है and बॉम्बे में जब आई तो यहाँ आके मुझे बोला लोगों ने कि you should do vampirish and sexy roles, and I was like, no, I'm not sexy. I'm a very girl next door.
Yeah.
So I know I cried about it just because it was, coming from a conservative family where the words are tabooed and you don't have to say. And then suddenly you are in that zone which is completely in contrast
exactly
what you have been brought up with. So आज तो कोई बोले हाँ you know what ऐसे या आगे बोलो मुझे पता है मैं बहुत सेक्सी बहुत अट्रैक्टिव हूँ आगे next tell me what more I have to say what more you can add to it.
I know like time के बाद you get used to all this.
Yeah you just know. I will say the city made me introduce to myself. जो आपकी एक protective closed door family में sheltered हो जाता है
right
because you're brought up like that. But you have to be introduced to yourself by some other medium, other people and all that.
Right.
So that's what happened. Oh my God. 1 second.
Rain?
The whole rain is coming inside.
Yeah. Mumbai rain, yes.
Yeah. So
So
yeah,
okay.
that's how this acting thing happened. And then, as far as spiritual journey is concerned, I remember I have been intuitive,
Mhm.
but to get hang on it, like I used to do predictions. जैसे किसी ने पूछा कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, मैंने कहा ये ऐसे होगा, ऐसे होगा. But I was never serious about it, and that used to
Oh,
come true. That used to
oh,
come true. So being psychic, number
yeah,
two. So
yeah.
number two is very psychic. So Piscean हूँ तो double psychic हो जाता है. फिर
Okay,
Scorpio हूँ, so it's all psychic energies in me. So that's how it began.
okay.
And then I was supposed to fly off to US when I was shooting for Phase 3, and I said I don't know whether I'll get the visa or not. And I was just consulting with my friends and all, and simultaneously learning tarot that time.
Acha. Okay.
And I was surprised. See, आप एक सीख रहे होते हैं,
Right.
and you open the cards for yourself,
Right. Right.
and they are you are completely clueless कि तुमको वीजा मिलने वाला है नहीं मिलने
Yeah.
वाला है because of the strict structure of US.
Obviously. Yeah.
And they say you're going, don't worry, you're going, you don't worry. And I say, yeah, okay. So that's for the beginning, and I was gung ho about the tarot. And I was reading and studying those tarot cards. So it began there.
Okay.
Chalta gaya. Then because of my psychic, the readings came right. The predictions which I used to do came right. So in that scenario, again, this Reiki, Astro Reiki came in the being, and ऐसे जैसे बोलते ना कि जब कुछ होता है तो लोग जुड़ते चले जाते हैं, as if God
Right.
directs you
Right.
in that direction,
Right.
and it's like you have to do it. The only thing I picked up was salsa.
Okay.
Rest everything was in destiny that I had to
Okay.
kind of do, and that's about it.
I think that salsa thing is one thing, ये जो जितनी भी like one dance is something, stress पूरा खत्म कर देता है, it's like after dancing it makes you feel so fresh and energetic, कहीं ना कहीं वो जो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, like as you said that like obviously being an actor, being like tarot card reader, कई बार I'm sure the predictions that you have to do उसमें भी कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं that it's not like वो you don't feel that vibe or whatever, in your terminology. So you have to get rid of that. I think salsa helps you in that.
Yeah, that's true, absolutely. Because it's just not salsa. I think
Yeah,
anything and everything in our body is
yeah,
made for certain thing.
yeah.
अगर आपकी बॉडी में जो चक्र है,
Right.
right from here to root chakra, it's
Okay.
meant for something.
Okay.
They're just not like that कि हाँ मेरे चक्र हैं और अच्छे
Hmm.
हैं चाहे बुरे हैं चलते हैं नहीं चलते. Every chakra has a reasoning to it, and you
Right.
need to exercise on them. So when
Okay.
you exercise or you do yoga,
Yeah.
you are doing that. You like servicing every day your chakra, opening them up, and
Okay.
all that. Like
Okay.
root chakra is basically the base chakra. And the base chakra is जिसको बोलते हैं creative chakra,
Okay.
money chakra,
Right.
sex chakra.
Okay.
Everything is there. It's the base. What is the basic of a human being?
Yeah. Right.
Is that root chakra. The root chakra अगर active है तो you will have all these things into it, and to keep it like a pelvic movement जो हम डांस में करते हैं,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
that is to energize your root chakra.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
So
everything is
it's
interconnected.
nothing.
So it's like
Everything is
everything.
interconnected.
Yeah.
ये अलग बात है कि लोग बोलते हैं, oh my god, your hip movement is, oh my god, it's so awesome. अरे वो awesome है, but it's working for me otherwise also.
Right, very true. So so you have basically enjoyed your lockdown, or आपकी journey भी बड़ी fantastic रही है. And now how your family, and because you were, I'm sure you must be the one, जिसे बोलते हैं black sheep in the family, जिन्होंने who started this trend of being an actor and also up. What your family has to say in this, or what your, like, I'm sure your lot of relatives must be proud, कहीं ना कहीं जब आते बोलते अरे ये तो मेरे, this is my relative, and she's like that.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
that is there. I mean, I think my parents grew with me.
yeah.
Like अगर वो grow नहीं करते तो शायद मेरे लिए difficult हो जाता.
Yeah. Okay.
मैं आ तो गई पर
Yeah.
अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स ग्रो कर रहे हैं with the
Yeah.
time, with the things and
Yeah.
all that, so
Yeah.
that becomes a blessing.
Very true.
बाकी जितने घर वाले हैं, उनके लिए आ रहे हैं, हाँ वो बॉम्बे में है, अच्छा क्या काम कर रही है, टिपिकल.
I know.
अच्छा
I know.
दिख नहीं रही है आजकल क्या हो रहा है उसकी
Yeah,
जिंदगी
yeah,
में.
yeah. I know. for that. Like, you know, I know
Yeah,
half of the things, yeah. Because when your
yeah,
family
but
do not understand you, you know, they do not understand what you're doing and all that. तो उनको लगता है ये क्या रहे हैं? Acting is so easy, you know. But you know, they don't know how difficult it is coming on the camera, and you know, that light, when the light is switched on up, you start to, you know, panic, shiver and all that. But you know, लोगों को लगता है अरे बहुत easy है यार, ये तो क्या है, ये तो कोई काम थोड़ी है. So
कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए वो झूठ बोलने के लिए,
yeah, exactly.
कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए वो करने के लिए जिससे सामने वाले व्यक्ति जो भी दर्शक है वो जब देखें तो उनको लगे कि ये एक्चुअल हो रहा है.
Actually,
And it's not that easy that you can do it because हम लोग बोलते हैं कि आपके घर में मैयत भी होगी और नेक्स्ट डे आपको काम करना है, you have
right.
to do it simple and straight. Or a corporate job person will fall in sick and will say, well, I'm sick, I can't do it, somebody has passed away, I can't come and all that. So आपको छुट्टी मिल जाएगी. पर बतौर एक्टर जब आपके पास डेडलाइंस होती हैं, आपके पास वो छुट्टी नहीं होती है. And as we say, the show must go on.
Very true, very true.
Yeah.
So, you know, we talked about your life and this thing. So let's talk about your childhood thing. जब आप छोटी थी, जब आप बड़ी हो रही थी राजपूत फैमिली में, तब आपने ऐसी कौन सी शरारतें करी जो आज भी आपको याद है और उस टाइम पे मतलब इतनी खतरनाक हो गई थी कि अब तो आज तो आप उसको सोच के हंसती होंगी, बट उस टाइम थोड़ा सा शायद डांट पड़ी, मार पड़ी, you know, something like that.
I know. Like as a childhood, I think my sister knows more about the childhood because she keeps telling me. पता है हम ऐसा करते थे, वैसा करते थे. और मैं जब मतलब my sister is younger to me, तो मेरी मम्मा बोलती है तू ना उसको इतना कुछ नाक में भर देती थी ताकि वो उसको आवाज नहीं आए उसकी.
Oh my God, okay.
So I said, oh really? I didn't know that. But जो होश में जब हम थोड़े से बड़े होते हैं तो it's like that I still remember घर के बाहर ऑटो जब जाते थे तो me and my cousins मिलके ऑटो वालों को पत्थर मारते थे and ताऊजी से डांट पड़ती थी, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, बच्चे हो, तुमको शर्म नहीं आती है, पत्थर नहीं डालते हैं. और हम लोग मस्त हंसते रहते थे कि हमने क्या. तो दैट वन इंसिडेंट इज ऑलवेज देयर कि वो एक शरारत हमने की है. और उसके बाद में क्या होता है ना, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ एवरी ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड टू लुक एट अ मदर एज अ वुमन ऑल्सो.
वेरी ट्रू.
तो हम लोग माँ को बोलते हैं माँ है तो माँ को तो सब करना ही करना है, माँ हैज टू बी देयर, mother cannot take a leave, mother can't do that. And my mom, being the professor, being a literary person, being the poetess and all that, she had her things, you know, to do. और मैं बोलती थी you are my mom. मैं घर की बड़ी हूँ, सारा काम मेरे पे डाल के आप अपने कवि सम्मेलन में चले जाते हो. I'm still in school. I'm still in school, you see. So the responsibility is just because the elders, you have to take care of everything. So it was like that. तो पता नहीं ऐसे में एक हुआ था जब मैंने मम्मी को बोला था, मैं कुछ महाभारत देख रही थी, पढ़ रही थी, क्या कर रही थी. मैंने कहा मैं प्रतिज्ञा लेती हूँ आप रसोई में जाओगी तो मैं रसोई में नहीं जाऊंगी.
भीष्म पितामह की जो प्रतिज्ञा थी आपने ले ली. ओके, तो आपने अपनी प्रतिज्ञा पूरी करी थोड़े दिन, फिर तो रास्ते पे आ ही जाते हैं, क्या करेंगे बच्चे. But that's something stays. That something stays with you because you understand how stupid as a child we get impressed upon certain things that we watch. We can see a good thing also, we can pick up a bad thing also. Very true.
You know, so a very impressionable age as kid, and only when we grow up we understand. So when I grew up and I see my mom now differently, that she is my mom but she's a woman. She has her own ambitions, she has her own pace and space and her creative soul.
And to manage, you know, for a working woman, you know, I always feel that, you know, for a working woman it is so difficult because everything is there, you know, घर का तो वहीं पे वहीं रहता है, apart from that जो काम होता है वो भी add on हो जाता है. So it's like, you know, to manage everything, you know, to manage the home, to manage the work, you know, फिर बच्चे ये वो, it is so difficult because in India we generally don't focus. हमें ऐसा लगता है शादी हो गई है, करियर खत्म हो गया, मतलब, you know, आप घर देखो, बच्चे देखो, that's it. And mostly it is like that where you know, if husband and wife are working, the wife has to sacrifice, isn't it? You must be doing that.
Yeah.
होता है. या फिर अगर बहुत कुछ कई ऐसे बहुत कम ऐसे घर होते हैं जहाँ पे सपोर्ट मिलता है, एंड यू नो अगर अगर मेल अगर ड्रॉप आउट कर भी जाता है तो फिर उसको ताने मिलते हैं, अरे देखो घर पे बैठा है, बहुत अजीब सी कई बार चीजें
I,
होती
I,
हैं।
I feel very sad about it
या
because see, it's all about equality.
या
और
या
ये जो सो कॉल्ड टर्म्स आ गए हैं फेमिनिस्ट और बीइंग इक्वल इज लाइक व्हाट, मैं एक बहुत सिंपल सी बात बोलती हूँ
या
सबको। इक्वल का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम फिजिकली स्ट्रांग हो और हम उतने ही फिजिकली स्ट्रांग होंगे,
या वेरी
right?
ट्रू।
But we
या
are strong enough to give you birth,
यस
which you
यस
probably can't do.
यस वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू,
We are emotionally very
वेरी
strong, which
स्ट्रॉन्ग,
you may not be.
या वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। So
So,
yeah, please.
yeah. So I always feel that it is like that because of the thing, I would say in my house,
Hmm.
the equality is like my dad has supported my mom wholeheartedly.
Okay. Yeah.
Though he's a passive supporter, he doesn't, it's not like he's there actively.
हाँ.
उनका
But
अपना
yes,
जोन है, but
हाँ,
he is there. So
he's there.
अगर एक passive support भी होता है,
Very true.
then it is a good thing that can be there. You see?
Very true. Very true.
So we just need a support.
Yes.
Females not asking you to be
Yeah.
कि मैं घर के काम कर रही हूँ तो आप ये करिए, but be equal at least. Understand the problems, understand these things are there, and then go for it. It's like that.
I completely agree with you, and I want to know what I want to know right now is that what your tarot is saying regarding the current situation, and कब हम बाहर आएंगे इससे।
देखो हम हिंदुस्तानी है ना, हम लोग को दिवाली बहुत पसंद है और
Yeah.
दिवाली पे हमारा नया साल शुरू होता है, तो
Okay.
मेरा ये मानना है कि दिवाली तक, और इस बार दिवाली देर में भी आ रही है,
अच्छा।
एक महीने का फर्क है, क्योंकि अभी अभी आपका ये गणपति चल रहा है, गणपति के बाद में श्राद्ध होंगे
राइट।
और श्राद्ध के बाद एक महीने के बाद नवरात्रि शुरू होंगे। अक्सर हर साल ये दिस इज हैपनिंग आफ्टर 160 years, समथिंग लाइक दैट।
Oh.
Yeah, generally it's like one after the other.
Yeah.
You have गणपति, गणपति के बाद श्राद्ध, श्राद्ध के बाद नवरात्रि, नवरात्रि के बाद दशहरा, दशहरा के बाद 14 days के बाद दिवाली होती है।
Okay. Okay.
So that's how it goes. But this time उसको बोलते हैं extra month in Hindu calendar. So we have an extra month. तो नवंबर में दिवाली आएगी, तो we still have couple of months down the line that will be good enough, I would say that.
Hopefully दिवाली जो है हम घर के बाहर बिता पाएंगे, stay home नहीं रहना
And
पड़ेगा।
yeah, that is there. And दूसरी बात ये है कि अभी लॉकडाउन भले ही खुल रहा है धीमे धीमे, अनलॉक 4 अब होने वाला है सितंबर में, बट द फैक्ट इज कि जब जो हिंदूज होते हैं या इंडियंस जो होते हैं ना, उनको सेविंग की आदत होती है।
राइट।
सो दे वांट टू डू इट इन अ वे वेयर त्योहार पे खर्च करेंगे।
राइट।
तो गणपति पे तो खर्च होगा नहीं,
हाँ।
क्योंकि गणपति तो ऐसे हो गया, सबने घर पे लाके छोटा मोटा कर लिया, वहां हो गया। पर दिवाली बीइंग द न्यू ईयर, सो क्योंकि नवरात्र भी मेरे ख्याल से अलाउ नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। सो ओनली दिवाली बचता है जहाँ पे लोग शॉपिंग मॉल में जाएंगे एंड दे विल do the shopping to bring in the new year and all that.
I just have to say I'm keeping my finger crossed.
Me too.
So tell me, like, what are your future plans? आपने अपने बारे में, आपके टैरो कार्ड आपके बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं? What are you planning to do in future? Like, इसके बाद post this, what are your plans?
मेरा प्लान कुछ नहीं है, मैं सिर्फ चाहती हूँ कि जो मेरा रुका हुआ वेब सीरीज है वो वापस से शुरू हो जाए, ताकि वी फिनिश इट, वी हैव डन हाफ ऑफ इट। सो दैट्स कॉल्ड तीन सहेलियां।
Okay.
That was like my producer, he was making it completely and then go on any OTT.
Okay.
But then it got stuck up, and it's been stuck up for last almost 2 years. So it's a sad scenario.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the other stuff is like there is a reality show. Like I was supposed to be, I was kind of considered initially for Big Boss, but then as the luck would have it, as it is, मेरे को लगता है कि मैं उतनी negative नहीं हो सकती तो Big Boss के लिए।
Wow, that would be very interesting. You would be predicting everybody's future there. Tarot cards.
No, I know, but I was hopeful.
Yeah.
But होता है कई बार, it's like that. Then it so happened that there is a dance reality show which is there. So उसके लिए भी मार्च के महीने में अप्रोच हुआ था. But then it so happened the whole lockdown thing happened. So
Right.
they are coming back again, maybe November, December. So let's see, fingers crossed for that reality show.
Great.
Dance reality. Dancing is good, so I love
Oh,
dancing. So
wow.
that will be good.
Yeah.
या बाकी ऊपर वाले की मर्जी है, जो
Yeah,
करना
yeah.
होगा तो
Perfectly.
मैन प्रपोजेस गॉड डिस्पोजेस, तो छोड़ दो यार ऊपर वाले को
Exactly.
जो कब होगा.
Yeah, छोड़ दो. और तो
या
like any message that you want to give your fans, your followers, बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपको hello भेजी है. We cannot reply to all.
हाय एवरीबॉडी.
Yeah. So, just say, yeah, you have said hi to them. Any message that you want to give to your fans, your followers who will be watching the show, or post, later where it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, Dream Chaser Media Production. So any message that you want to give.
I only want to say to all the people, and thanks to the 94% of male following that I have, thank you. I must be doing something right that you are following me. And so much of love
Yeah.
with little lust
Yeah.
that you shower on me. It's good. But understand something, that I am a woman to be loved, respected,
Yes.
and not insulted.
Yeah.
So learn that.
Yeah.
और आपको मैं खूबसूरत हूँ, मैं सेक्सी हूँ, पर भगवान ने मुझे टैरो करने का भी एक इल्म दिया है, ब्लेसिंग दी है. So when you're trying to reach me for tarot readings, stick to that, because then it's a bad karma. I have only that one request to all the people, because that has been seeing of late. A lot of people have been doing that. So that is one thing. Otherwise, being an actor, I'm loving it, because thank you so much for Hunter, the movie, which gave me the epic Savita Bhavi role, which has done good, bad, ugly, whatever. Where am I today is because of that. बट भाई मैं बहुत अच्छी लड़की हूँ, मैं सिर्फ वो रोल मैंने किया था. दैट डजंट मेक मी दैट इन द रियल लाइफ.
Yeah, obviously. Obviously, as an actor, you live many lives, in the sense कि आप पुलिस वाले भी बनते हो, आप चोर भी बनते हो, so that doesn't mean that you are that person. It's just that the character you are portraying, So people actually.
या उसके बाद मैंने आरंभ किया है, द एंटागनिस्ट इन दैट स्टार प्लस सीरियल. नोबडी रिमेम्बर्स दैट. इट वाज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल सीरियल ना. सबको सविता भाभी याद रहती है, पता नहीं क्या हो गया. मैं तो okay, thank you. I only say thank you. I just whatever.
Don't worry, you have got a lot of hearts in this, and people have said love you, love you, love you, like 100 times, people have said that. So that means you are getting a lot of love. So, we will actually, what we'll do is we'll filter all the love, and, whatever you don't want, we'll just filter out that. So thank you so much for coming online. Thank you for speaking up, and thank you for, we wish you all the best for your OTT series, which is stuck right now. We want to see you in Bigg Boss. It will be actually very amazing to see you in Bigg Boss. And also, apart from that, we also want to see you in that reality, shaking your booty and doing some salsa. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming online. And
thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.